my hair. However, the medication that I was using at Ashley and Martin did I did go through a little bit of depression. Also, my energy levels weren't the same, and I'd lost my sex drive. So, well, some of my sex drive, it wasn't as good as what it used to be. And then, so yeah, I stopped using Ashley and Martin, and after receiving advice from the Ashley and Martin doctor to back off the medication, after backing off the medication, and seeing the change in myself, in how I felt, and my energy levels and my sex drive coming back, I decided to actually quit the program altogether. Yeah.
Great. And so why did you start using herbal hair regrowth treatments?
I was I was probably after quitting Ashley and Martin, I didn't want to put all the hard work of regrowing my hair to waste, and I was looking into a few other programs. I really tried to push to find something natural, and it was actually by chance that I found the Oz Hair program, because my father had used it in the past, and he received a pamphlet and passed it on to me, and that's when I read about the products. I did a little bit more research on the medication and used by Oz Hair, and that's when I set an appointment to come down and meet with you guys and get a bit more information on the products and the program.
Okay, and how have you been going so far with the treatment?
The treatment's been working well. I've noticed from quitting the Ashley and Martin program, I haven't felt any different in energy levels from using the Oz Hair products. My hair feels stronger, looks healthy, and from the results of the before and after from using the program, I can see that there has been improvement and regrowing and also strengthening from the roots. And it was also good to see the before and after.